Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. All infant carrier car seats can be installed on an ISOfix base, but for most of them that ISOfix base is an optional extra that you don't have to use. Most of these car seats can actually be belt fitted, which is handy if you ever need to use the seat in somebody else's car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to belt fit your infant carrier. This is the Axkid Envirobaby, and to install this seat in the car, you place it in the car with the backrest at a 45-degree angle, fold the carry handle out of the way just to make it easier to plug the seatbelt in, then pull the seatbelt out, pass the belt under the green belt guide on the side of the seat, then lift up the baby's arms, put the belt over the baby and under the other belt guide, and then plug the buckle in. And then I always put my foot in the footwell and push the seat into the car with my leg whilst pulling the belt tight, and then wrap the belt around the back of the seat, and then you pass the belt through the hook on the back of the seat indicated in green. And then to make sure that the seat belt is really tight, you need to pull it tight by pulling the belt this way and pushing the seat that way at the same time. So you go like this, and now the seat is really secure. And then the last thing left to do is to put the carry handle back up. So squeeze these buttons here on the back and sit the handle in that position. And then you just need to pull the side impact protection out like this. So this is what the Envirobaby looks like when it's fully installed. The seatbelt goes over the baby's lap, down into the buckle. It then wraps around the back of the seat and comes up on this side. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.